Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a Facebook logo to your Vistaprint business card. Okay, so first up, go log into your Vistaprint account. Now here, go ahead over to the business cards right here. Just click on it. Now go to click on upload design. Or if you're using a template, just leave this step. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and create from scratch right here. Okay, maybe horizontal. Next, close right here. Now in this section, just go to the bottom and click on create my design, for you to be able to use the Vistaprint editor or studio. Now in here, just go ahead over to images. Okay, as you can see here, I do have a Facebook logo uploaded, but if you don't know how to upload a Facebook logo, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Okay, type in Facebook logo, hit on enter. Now go to Google Images right here. Click this one from Wikipedia. Right click and hit on save image as. Okay, make sure, by the way, that you are downloading an SVG or a logo that doesn't have a background. Okay, as you can see here, we have these dots or squares. Okay, just right click and hit on save image as. Save it wherever you want. I'm going to go ahead and save it on my desktop. Save. Once that's done, just close the browser. Now click on upload from this device. There you have it. Just click on it and hit on open. Wait for it to upload. As you can see here, automatically it's been added to our canvas. And that is it. You can now then go ahead and click on text, add in a new text field, Facebook. All right. Click on the text, make it smaller if you want to, drag it wherever you want. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.